The CDC has released new guidance for people who have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Jackie has the night off. KMR Local 4's Kaylee Green has more from our Public Health Authority, Dr. Scott Milton, about the changes on gatherings and quarantining. That is our top story tonight as we bring you facts, not fear.
The CDC says now those who are fully protected by vaccines can start to do some of the things they stopped doing because of the pandemic. But what does it mean to be fully vaccinated?
Need to be 2 weeks out from the second dose of the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine, or 2 weeks out from the J&J vaccine to be considered fully vaccinated.
If it's been less than 2 weeks since your shot, or if you still need your second dose, you are not fully protected.
Those that are fully vaccinated, what they have recommended now, or what they are allowing to do with safety, is certainly that you can gather indoors with others that have been fully vaccinated without wearing a mask. The other thing that they've recommended is you can gather indoors with unvaccinated individuals from one other household without masks, unless anyone in that group has increased risk.
There are also changes for those exposed to COVID after being fully vaccinated.
There's no need to quarantine if you're exposed to someone who is positive and you've been fully vaccinated. Certainly you need to monitor for symptoms, and they make an exception unless you're in a group setting, such as a detention facility or a group home, then you would need to quarantine if there was an exposure.
BSA's Chief Medical Officer Dr. Michael Lamentier says they have had less than 5 staff members quarantined due to exposure in recent weeks.
Seeing the people that are moving forward with vaccination are getting the benefits of not getting infected, are getting the benefits now of not being quarantined, even when they have an exposure.
Now, a few things haven't changed as we continue dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. The CDC says even fully vaccinated people should take precautions in public, like wearing a mask, staying at least 6 feet apart from others, and avoiding crowds in poorly ventilated spaces. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, KMR Local 4 News. Andy.
Kaylee, thank you. The CDC says fully vaccinated people should still avoid medium or large-size gatherings and delay domestic and international travel, and it's necessary to follow guidance at work.